What's going on, guys? It's Strive, and today we are doing something a little different on the channel. Today we will be opening 7 Pokemon packs. I believe there's 5 different kinds. We got Twilight Masquerade, 2 Twilight Masquerades, a regular just Scarlet and Violet pack, not sure. Paldea Evolve, Temporal Forces, Paradox Rift, and Paradox Rift. So, 7 packs will be opened today. Now, I thought to myself, you know, people open packs all the time. Heck, people open hundreds of packs in a video all the time. And I thought, how could I stand out? How could I do something, you know, to be a little different? All right. Today, if I get an EX, I will have to take a shot of this hot sauce. That's right. I will be taking a shot of hot sauce for every EX I get. Here's my shot glass. Slay all day. Mikael Meyer. No chasers. No chasers. Packs off to this side. I'm nervous. I am freaking nervous. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to be opening this pack. I'll be honest. I recently am getting back into Pokemon, so I don't know what the newest packs are, so I don't know how relevant these are. I think it's like 2 cards like this. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Oh gosh, oh my, I did it wrong. I did it wrong, guys. I did it wrong. I know that was the best card in the pack. That's a shot. That's already a shot. Oh my god. First pack in. Oh. Let's get this ready, guys. So we're opening the hot sauce. I feel nervous. I hope this doesn't end up being an ER trip or something. Oh my gosh. First pack got me effed up, guys. So we got the lid off. Oh, I'm like shaking. I'm like shaking. I'm scared. Like, what if I die? Here we go. I'm gonna pour my first drink. Oh my. That's like a shot, right? I mean, that's a shot of hot sauce. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. And now this, I know people eat this normally. Like, this is just like an everyday thing they put on anything. I don't. I mean, that's a pretty good gulp. Oh man. Yep. Alright. I gotta stop being a pussy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh Lord, please be with me. I'm dead ass. I might throw up. But you know what? That'd be funny as fuck. Ugh. 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 All right, I think the worst is over. Ugh. Next pack. Next pack. Here we go. Pack number 2, guys. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh my god. That was not good. I'm praying that I get an EX. Okay. Here we go. We're gonna do 1 card this time. We got our energy. Alright. Do I see anything shiny? Oh, there's something shiny. My throat is burning like a mother effer. Oh no. Oh no. This means shot number 2. I didn't even. Hasn't even been 4. I don't even know. It hasn't been over 5 minutes, that's for sure, since I took my last one. I wasn't taking that one well either. Got our shot. Second shot. We got our bag ready. Shot number 2. Out of 7 packs. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. This is Oh, oh. All right. I just need to do it, right? Just need to do it. Just need to talk. Oh. Okay. I think shot number 2 is done. Let's get right into the third pack. Pack number 3. Please give me an EX. I need an EX. Alright. Got our energy. Okay. Okay. Is there anything shiny in here? Ooh, that looks promising. Alright. Oh gosh, I'm getting nervous. I don't know if I could take another shot. Like, I need an EX or I'm gonna throw up again. Guys, you see that? Let's go. We got one. Oh my gosh, let's go. We finally got one. Let's freaking go. Alright, pack 3 was good. No shot. On to the 4th one. So that's 3 packs, 4 left to go. I feel like we're doing not good. I'd like to at least maybe break even with this one. If we can get another EX, that'd be amazing. I know me opening packs is probably not the best. I see creators who do this way more efficient. But yeah, so hope we can break even. Like I said, guys, that would be great. I don't think I can do another shot of hot sauce. Let's see where we're at right now. Ooh, I think I have another EX. Let's freaking go. Don't want to get too excited yet. Oh yeah, that's an EX. Hoopa EX. Wow. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking ball. Let's, you know what, let's just keep getting EXs from here on out. Alright. Flamingo. Porygon. Grass monkey. Orthworm. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. Uh-oh. That does not look like an EX. We're definitely taking a shot. Fuck. Yeah, that's it. Sure this isn't an EX? So, pack number 5, no EX. So you can know what that means. Shot glass. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Just smelling it, I'm never gonna eat anything hot ever again. Or like, relatively to the smell or anything like, this is already turning my stomach. Okay, I'm sorry for yapping, I just... Okay. Is this a thumbnail? Okay, I just need to do it. Oh my god. Okay. Nothing out of there. Nothing out of there. Just a dry hurl. Oh my gosh. It's like I'm being edged. It's like right here. I feel it. It's like any more. It's like it's all coming out. Oh. One card up front. Twist. Oh yeah, no peeking. Let's just hop into it. Boom. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Boom. 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 Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Wait. Fuck. Mother, wait. Mother. I'm cooked. I really think I'm cooked. Bottle into shot glass. Sorry. I did something like this in high school. It was bad, but it was funny. That's why I thought today's video would be a great one to do. So yeah. Cheers. Bottoms up to not getting a damn EX. Ugh. It's edging. It's edging. Whoa, my parents are out there thinking like, what the fuck is this kid doing? And they're gagging. Oh, my stomach, my chest. One more pack, guys. This is the last pack. So far, only 2 EXs. Let's see how this goes. So, first card up front. As always, let's get it. Either way, you know, this is the last one. So even if, you know, I do gain EX, it's just one. Or if I don't get any EX, it's the last one. Sorry, I am trembling. I feel my belly burning. Let's see if we can get a sneak peek. Yeah, no, we're effed. Yeah, no, we're effed in the A. We're taking a shot. Effed in the A. That's right. Let's see. Yep, that's another freaking shot. Okay. Well, guys, you got to see me down half a bottle of this. Oh no, you guys can't. It's like covered. It's halfway gone since this is my last shot. And okay, maybe it's okay. This I think after I pour this, let's see. Oh. You see? Oh shit! Drop that a little bit. You see that, guys? Failed. Failed. This bottle of hot sauce is right here. I'm pretty sure it went all the way up to where my pointer finger is, and it's where this pointer finger is. So I don't know the effects of drinking half a bottle of hot sauce has on the body, but you know, there will be an update, and if there isn't, I'm probably dead. Oh gosh, I can't even I'm just so nervous. I'm not even gonna lie. This is a basically full shot of hot sauce, and this marks half a bottle. I usually don't ask this, but if you guys like the video, go ahead and drop a like. This tells me you guys like it and want to see more content like this. Really me after I drink half a bottle of hot sauce. Bottoms up, bartender. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know. My mouth is freaking burning right now. Ugh. I'm not gonna lie, I've eaten wings hotter than this. But this is still pretty spicy to me. My lips, my mouth is burning. And I'm not really the one to just put hot sauce in anything. Or outside of Takis, eat a lot of spicy food. But I mean, half a bottle. That's, yeah. I know tomorrow the bathroom time is going to be very interesting. Might have to do an update on that, or even make a video of that in itself. Who knows? 2 EXs is crazy though. Yeah, I need some water. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed day. Yeah, again, if you like this video, like the video. Doing more content like this, more IRL content like this. Much more planned for the channel this year. So yeah, thank you guys. Have a good one. See ya.